Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm your host, Buckning, and today we're going to go through the $11,478.90 portfolio, to be exact. But if you're new to the channel, welcome. This is where you put $100 a week into a tax-free savings account to build a dividend portfolio right in front of your eyes. And if you're not new, welcome back. So we'll go through the portfolio here real quick. As you know, it closed out at $11,478.90. Today it was up $69.13, up 0.61% for the 1 week. We're up $11.67, up 0.1% for the 1 month. We're up $249.54, up 2.22%. For the 3 months, we're up $312.70, up 2.81%. For the 1 year, we're up $1,672.44, up 17.05%. And for the all, we're up $2,282.37, up 24.82%. So we did buy a couple positions here today. We did go ahead and bought Cisco Systems Inc. Ticker symbol for this is CSCO, closing out at $54.97 USD. We're up 47 cents on the day, up 0.86%. We have 11 shares now. It holds about 6.71% of the portfolio. Since starting this this position, we are currently down $10.12. Not a big deal. And if we go down, you can see my purchase here, 2 shares at $55.03, costing $110.06. USD exchange rates of 1.2721, includes the 1.5% fee, total cost of $140 Canadian. The amount I paid probably in trading fee was like $1.65. So it's not to the point where it makes sense for me to purchase the monthly subscription to have a premium account where you don't pay trading fees, because I think it's about like $10 or something like that. So that is Cisco Systems Inc. And if we get out of there, as we do every purchase that we make, we do put in $25 of fractional shares into VFV, which is the Vanguard S&P 500, closing out at $100.44. Up 1 cent today, up 0.01%. We now have 3 shares of this, total position value of $301.60. Average price of getting in is $99.90. It holds about 2.64% of the portfolio. And our total return since starting the position is $1.62, up 0.54%. Total today's return is a bit off because it doesn't adjust with the purchase when you purchase it. So as you can see here, we bought $25 of a fractional share. So we got 0.2495 of a share at the price of $100.20, equaling 25 Canadian dollars. So that is the portfolio update. We currently have $53.07 in the cash account. And here's the watch list if you wanted to look at that. So we will head over to trackyourdividends.com to update everything here. So as of today, without the updated positions here, you can see that the portfolio closed out at $11,242, which is a bit off because I don't think this converts to Canadian, or does it? Yes, it does. I forgot. You can change the default portfolio and it'll change. So what we'll do is head over to the purchase here that I made, and we will change the currency to, what was it? How do we change the currency again? All right, it's in summary. No, it's in default portfolio, and we change it to not clear holdings, edit account. There it is, USD update portfolio, and we'll go ahead and update a few things here. But before we do, let's just go ahead and add the holding here. And so if we enter the ticker symbol for Cisco Systems Inc., which is CSCO, which is not in there. Did I do that wrong? Let's just put in Cisco. There it is. We bought 2 shares of this at the cost of $55 and 0.298 a cent. Add holding. So that is added. We'll go back to the Canadian side, update the portfolio, and we will go ahead and add the next holding, which is VFV. Once I get pulled up here. So VFV.to, there it is. we purchased 0.2495 of a share, and the cost per share was $100.20. Go ahead and add that holding. And there we go. So now the dividend tracker sits at $11,405, which is much more accurate now. So they probably made some updates here, pretty close to our $11,478, because this does not include the cash account. Dividend yield today, if you're to build the portfolio with all the updated positions, would sit at 3.42%. Our yield on cost is 4.3%. And our annual income is about to hit a $400 a year dividend payment. Of course, divide quarterly into whatever months these companies pay into. So currently we sit at $390. We'll head down to Cisco Systems Inc. We now have 11 shares of Cisco, which is great. Price today closed out at 68.98 Canadian. Our average price of getting in is 55.89 Canadian, and profit of $143.95. Dividend yield of 2.76% today. Our yield is 3.41%, and we're getting about $20 per year on that one. And VFE, we are at $100.44 closing today. We now have about 3 shares. Cost basis of getting in is $99.89. We're up $1.65. Dividend yield today is 1.13%. We're about the same, and we get about $3.39 dividend per year divided up into quarters on VFV, which is the Vanguard Index S&P 500. For the month of March, we're expected to get $47 for April 27. This is just a great trajectory of where we're heading. So it's really great that way. So that is trackyourdividends.com. Now we will head over to ShareSite to give you an updated performance of the portfolio here in the calendar year. So capital gains this year is up 1.76%, a total of $198.03. Dividends here are sitting at $80.90, up 0.72%. In currency, because there's a little bit of 4x going on in here with the American positions, we are down $30.21, down 0.27%. But our total return since starting this year is up 2.22%, which is great. We're not negative. That's what counts, as the market is just down overall still. But we are heading in a direction, I do believe, where everything will kind of creep up slowly this year. So our total return, including dividends, which is great because that includes this on ShareSite, is $248.72. So that's pretty much it for the portfolio, guys. We'll head back to Wealthsimple Trade here. And I just want to say thank you guys for continuing to watch these videos time over time. I know it can get dry because we are just building a dividend portfolio within a tax-free savings account. And I know this channel is probably going to be taking a different direction pretty soon here. It's not just going to be portfolio updates here and there. We are going to look at other things once I make those happen, because I can't really talk about things I haven't done. And one of those things that are in the works this year in 2022 is to purchase real estate. However, there's been a lot of news about real estate and how there might be a bubble and so on and so forth. But the one thing that I know is that the best way to get started is just starting, and probably doesn't, and I don't want to time it. I don't know if that's a really good thing to do, because as we know, when it comes to investments in stocks, timing the market is not a thing. It's time in the market. And who knows, maybe it'd be a perfect timing if it does happen, where there's a crash in the housing market, or it might be very horrible timing. All I know is that I need to get in eventually, and this is the year. It's been in the talks for a couple of years now, and once it happens, there'll definitely be a video about it. And so, other than that, guys, that's it for the video. Don't forget to leave a like, comment down in the comment section down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to subscribe if you're finding value in this content. And other than that, guys, have a great weekend, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.